Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2696th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you for tuning in. This video is coming at you on the Monday night for trading Monday night through Tuesday, and that would be Jan 23rd, 2024. And this is the week of OMNI campers. They'll be coming in this week, and I'm very excited for them. Traders, I wanted to get out in front of the camera tonight, but you know it's raining in Vegas, which is rare. My videographer is all the way across town. I just thought it's easier for me to just give you the goods in one of these shoots, and I'll get out in front of the camera for you tomorrow evening. So please remember how risky trading can be. Risky, risky, risky. Kids, don't listen to anyone out there if they tell you that there's trading without risk. Everything is risky in one way or another. Put your stops in, put them in first, and never trade without them. We are looking at, by the way, for trading on Tuesday, Jan 23rd, we're looking at the E-mini S&P daily bar, and we've got a green OMNI arrow saying that we should buy dips. If you look at this chart, if you recall, I was showing you that we had this double top and we were going to have to react to it. We did get the reaction. Then I showed you in the next video, we got back into the bull channel, and I said, we are back in the saddle. You can get long. And look what happened. Boom. We had a major breakout of the double top. And the OMNI remains a buyer of dips in certain U.S. indices. I think this one might be an easier play for us tomorrow. We'll take a look at it, and we'll see what you think. I think the Russ might be an easier play for us tomorrow than is the S&P. Because the Russ looks easier to get into, a little more solid, and really did a good job holding off this 50-bar moving average, is now above this channel that was building, and just looks really good. You know, the Russell 2000 looks really good here. So, being that it held the 50 and it's above the channel, we may actually get a fill in here somewhere for trading on Tuesday. We'll see how that happens. We'll take it one day at a time, 1 hour at a time, if you will, once we get past this video. What's next out there? Oh, you're going to love this, kids. Look at this one, traders. Check this. This is definitely the moneymaker tomorrow. Gold being short. 50-bar moving average, tops gold, stops it in its tracks. Gold messes around with it, gets above, holds it perfectly. Holds it perfectly. Starts having a lot of trouble around it, tries to get above it, starting to fail. OMNI turns red, down we should go. That is gold for trading on Tuesday. And I think there's a reason for that. Check this out. And hopefully it won't blow up. Yeah, there we go. Check this out. Look at the dollar. If you remember, sometime last week I showed you this massive pennant flag in the dollar. And it broke out of that pennant flag. Look at the nice breakout. Well, that breakout created a flagpole, and we now have another bull flag. So not only did we break out of the pennant flag, we got above the 50-bar moving average and created another bull flag. And not always, but in many cases, and it's not always, so you can't count on this, but in many cases, if this was a little seesaw or a teeter-totter out on the playground, and if you had gold on one side, so let's put something like G for gold over here. Let's say you had gold on one side, and you had dollars on another. Gold is priced in dollars. So if dollars go up, it makes the gold come down. Now, it doesn't always work that way every day, but that's the inherent relationship that something priced in dollars has, like a commodity, being gold, and the dollar index. And that dollar index chart, as you're looking at, looks bullish with a bull flag. Broke out of one bull flag, showed it was real. Got above the 50 in another bull flag, looks real. And the dollar's pointing up, so I think gold can feel that for trading on Tuesday. And then there is this, traders. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Hooray! We love Bitcoin. Not today, but we love Bitcoin as a whole. Now, if you recall, I showed you this chart a few days back and said this is a do or die juncture. Very interesting. It is do or die. If you cannot hold here, you will crack. This is our signal. Make sure you're paying attention. That was a few days ago. I am now going to update, since the day of that video, what has happened in Bitcoin. It was a die, and dying it is doing. And Bitcoin is coming lower and looks like it may want to go lower again for trading on Tuesday. So Bitcoin for day trading looks like it wants to go down on Tuesday. I don't see why it shouldn't, because we passed the interesting juncture, which was this spot here. We dropped below it. We even dropped below the support coming along here. We just filled the gap right here. I don't know if you guys are paying attention, but right there is a gap, which we have filled. And it looks like it still may want to go a little lower. It started this whole foray down here at the 80-ball moving average. Maybe that's where it wants to go test. We'll see. So for now, it was absolutely a die. The do did not work. It did die. And Bitcoin is looking bearish. I hope that helps for trading on Tuesday. Make sure you sign up. It's absolutely free at livewithoscar.com. Leave your comments below this video. I promise to reply to each and every one of your comments. And I hope to see you all at livewithoscar.com. Tomorrow night, I'll get out in front of the camera for you cats, and we will see what we can find. I hope these videos are helping. I hope you put your stops in first, and I hope to see you at livewithoscar.com. Remember, kids, we got to keep our emotions out of trading. Never, ever make emotional decisions. They are more expensive than any other type of decision you can make. Make sure that you've got a trading plan. Plan the trade. Trade that plan. If you don't know how to do that, come see me at livewithoscar.com. I will help you. Once you've got a trading plan in place and you put your stops in, you say this to yourselves over and over again to keep your fingertips off the damn keyboard. What is it, kids? Say it with me. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Leave your comments. I'll get back to you.